When the French housing minister got up to address Parliament earlier this month, she was subjected to this.
Monsieur le Président,
Allez, écoutez.
Mesdames et Messieurs les députés, mais surtout Messieurs, visiblement...
Catcalls and wolf whistles from male politicians. Not because of what she was saying, but apparently because of what she was wearing. They claimed it was to show their appreciation of her dress. But this is just the kind of behaviour this new law in France wants to curb.
We have created a draft bill under which we will apply a 2-year jail term and a $37,000 fine. That means that we are creating a much more severe punishment for sexual harassment than in the past.
Under this new law, cases would take less time to come to court. Earlier this year, there were protests in France against the old law, which people said was too vague. The man who last year was being tipped as the next French president, Dominique Strauss-Kahn, found himself at the centre of a sex scandal after an encounter with a hotel maid in New York. The case against him collapsed, but the episode raised questions about some men in power and their relationship with women. Interesting then that the new French president's cabinet is made up equally of men and women. A real change from just a few years ago. But many women say there are still real problems.
I know that in some workplaces it can be very difficult for women. Some of them are even at risk of losing their job because they are sexually harassed. The new law is good, but unfortunately it doesn't cover all situations.
Of course, this law will protect women victims of sexual harassment. It'll also be a way for women to be more confident and to bring cases before the court more often.
The law will be imposed straight away, but changing the attitudes and opinions of some people about how women should be treated will take a lot longer. Emma Hayward, Al Jazeera.